Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about how to update records in database through Hibernate, and this was a method. Okay, so last operation is delete, and you can guess the method name is also delete. So again, Hibernate works with primary key, so you have to give the primary key. This time we are not going to update. If you talk about the SQL query, so it goes like delete from this employee table where id equals to, let's say, 7. So we are going to remove this 7th ID from database. So we need ID, and even before that we need object. So I can pass object employee ID here. So employee, we call this delete employee, new employee, done. Then delete employee dot set what do you call that, ID, pass the ID, and then call the method session dot delete. There it is, and pass your object and done. Yep, that's it. Just call the method delete and you have to pass object. You cannot just pass id or anything. If you open its documentation, it clearly says object. What kind of object? The entity class. So we have passed delete this employee, and let's see the impact. And even before that, let's have this separator so we can see the region of delete. Because I formatted the code, that's why these lines are like this way. Format. Okay, going to execute this code. So we will see a delete query executed by the Hibernate framework at the bottom. There it is. So delete from employee table where ID is this. Something similar I wrote here. Delete from employee where ID equals to 7. Okay, so we are trying to delete ID 7. Let's see the impact. So this is ID 7. Let's refresh, and yep, it's gone. So that's how you can delete the employee object from database by using Hibernate. And every time, doesn't matter whatever your operation is, it always needs your primary key. Either you're reading, you're trying to update, or you're trying to delete. So this was all about CRUD operations. In next video we'll discuss some more features about Hibernate. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.